Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, check your internet and hardware to avoid wasted steps. Ensure your upload speed is at least 10 Mbps and latency stays under 80 ms. Open Steam and confirm Remote Play is enabled in settings on the host PC. Make sure the VR headset and the host PC are on the same subnet when testing locally. Prepare router credentials and note the host PC static IP or DHCP reservation for reliable port mapping. Next, log into your router and find port forwarding or virtual server settings. Forward UDP ports 27031 through 27036 and TCP ports 27036 through 27037 to the host PC's static IP. If available, enable UPnP instead of manual forwarding for easier management. Check Windows Firewall and any antivirus firewall, and allow Steam and Steam VR through both public and private profiles. If your ISP modem also does routing, use bridge mode or disable its Wi-Fi to avoid double NAT. If you must stream outside your local network, create a VPN or tunnel into your home LAN. Choose a VPN that supports LAN bridging so the remote headset appears on the same subnet as the host. After connecting, verify the host IP and test Steam Remote Play to confirm the devices see each other. Recheck upload stability at 10 Mbps, latency under 80 ms, and minimal packet loss. Finally, enable Router Co-S and retest streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.